everyone. My name is Nitilan Homjai. My nickname Angun. I study in grade 1/7. My number 19. Today I tell story Wolfoo and Rozy. Come. Wolfoo, why play game all day? Yay! Like party. Yummy. Oh, I'm hungry. Go something to eat. Yeah. Oh, where did the food go? Lucy.